Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into Play with Docker and launching a new lab. Once done, create the nodes you need and open terminals for each. You'll want to enable Docker CLI in each session so you can run images and manage containers. Make sure to note the session timeout and save commands you'll reuse. Now pull the base image you need. Pulling early avoids delays later and verifies network access. You will pull the image and start containers with Docker run, adding D, name, and p-host container mappings. Once containers run, use Docker execut to step inside and configure services, apply environment variables, or initialize databases. If you need multi-node networking, connect containers with Docker Network Create and Docker Network Connect. Make sure to script repeated setups with Docker files or Docker Compose to reproduce the environment quickly in future sessions. You finish by committing any configured container to an image using Docker commit, then save or export that image for later use. Before your lab expires, copy important files out or push images to Docker Hub. If things go wrong, check Docker logs for errors, Docker PS to confirm states, and Docker inspect for network or port conflicts. If a service won't start, recreate the container with
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.